Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play You Got Lucky by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers on acoustic guitar. Yeah, we're going to play this acoustic style. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and we're going to start with the chords. And for the sake of beginners, I'm going to give you a close-up look at the chords. Our first chord is going to be an A minor chord, played this way. A D minor chord. A G chord. An F chord. And a C chord. Those are the chords we're going to need. We're going to start the song with an A minor chord, and we'll play a progression that will repeat. It will include an A minor, D minor, and G. The A minor chord will get 8 beats. The D minor chord, 4 beats. And the G chord, 4 beats. And we'll repeat that. Now, what I'm doing is strumming the chord just on the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm muting between strums. Okay? Now how I'm doing that is I have my fingers on the chord, just touching them, and when I strike the guitar, I'm going to squeeze or put pressure on the chord like this. When I let go of the pressure, and I'm not taking my hands off the guitar, when I let go, the sound will stop. So it's like that. So our chords are A minor, D minor, G, A minor, D minor, G. We'll repeat that progression for all the verses. Next, we're going to go to what I call a chorus bridge, because this is the only other part in the song. We're going to go to A minor. I'm strumming down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then we'll go to F. Down, down, up, down, down, up, C. A minor. C. A minor. F. Once again, A minor, 8 beats. F, 8 beats. C, 4 beats. Good love is hard to find. A minor chord. C. Hard to find. You got lucky, babe. F, 8 beats. And G, 8 beats. Now there's an electric lead in the song that is kind of cool, so we'll do that on the acoustic guitar this way. In order to play that, we're going to go to the A string, fret 7. Then to the D string, fret 5 to 7. Back to the A string, fret 7. Fret 5. Fret 3. Fret 5. Fret 3. This is all on the A string. Fret 2, 3, 5. So that's 7, 5, 7, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Back to 3, 5. So this. We'll start that again and we'll play this. So that was fret 7 on the A string, fret 5 on the D string, fret 7, back to 7 on the A string, 5, 3, 2, the low E string, 5, 3, and strike 3 again and hold it. That, my friends, is how we'll play the entire song. That's You Got Lucky by Tom Petty on acoustic guitar. Thanks for watching and have a great day.